Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace injectors on a Hyundai Elantra guys. If you have Elantra from 2011 to 2016, this video will relate to it with a 1.8 engine. We'll have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart, from engine work to interior, taking door panels. Check out the channel guys, please subscribe. If you need anything, most likely we will have it on the channel in the near future. Also, we just started a brand new channel called Electrical Car Repair Live. More videos will be posted about that Hyundai, engine codes, airbag codes, and testing electrical components. So please guys, subscribe as well. So before we remove the injectors guys, we have to make sure that we don't have fuel in the car, in the fuel rail. And you have to remove that cover, okay? You just pull it up. It has 4 rubber bushings holding it here. Okay, you can see it's out like that. You can see those are the 4 rubber bushings and they're attached to these points here. Okay, the one there and the one here. This is the fuel rail with the injectors now. So how we make sure we don't have fuel? And you want to do that on a cold car so you don't catch the car on fire. You have fire extinguisher as well. So we will open the fuse box, we will locate the fuse for the fuel pump, which is this fuse right here, 15 amp fuse. We will pull the fuse out of there, okay, and we'll start the car for a few seconds until the car runs out of fuel. Okay, so let's just go ahead and pull it out. Okay, with the fuse out of the way, we're going to start the car until it dies. Okay, perfect. I'll just start it one more time. Okay. So, no fuel. Perfect. So there is always a chance that you're going to spill some fuel. Wear gloves, eye protection, because it might spray. We're going to disconnect the fuel line first, and no matter that we started the car, we'll still have fuel in the fuel rail and the line, but it will not be under such high pressure. So let us show you guys how you disconnect now the fuel line. Okay, you need to grab the line. Okay, just grab this line like that. You need to push it in this way. Then you need to push that plastic piece back inside. Okay. And you pull the line out of there. You can see we leaked a little bit of fuel so far, but not bad at all. Now we have two bolts that we need to remove with 12mm sockets, but before that we need to disconnect all of the fuel injectors. Okay, you press in and pull out. Sometimes they might have a retainer here that you need to pull up, okay, like the one on the ignition coils. Ours doesn't have that. Okay, and we disconnect it, and you can see push in and pull out. Now let's remove the 2 bolts with a 12mm socket. Okay, perfect. Now you grab the fuel rail and you pull it straight up, a little bit on one side, a little bit on the other side. Now this wire here, okay, this is for the ignition coil. We need to disconnect for ignition coil number 1 so we can pull the fuel rail out. Now tilt it this way because there will be some gas in the fuel rail. Careful not to drop anything inside the little holes because it will go in the cylinders. So let's see, okay, how to remove the injectors now. So in order to remove the injectors, okay, you need to pull, okay, that retainer out of there. And you can help it with a screwdriver a little bit if it's stuck. We'll just get a small screwdriver. All the tools and parts that we use guys will be listed in the description of the video below. Careful because those are spring loaded and they'll try to fly away. Okay, perfect. We dropped one. Now you need to grab the injectors, okay, twist them and pull out. They will be stuck because there is a rubber seal that's a little bit dry from the gas. Okay, right there. And we do that to the rest of them. Okay, this is the fourth one. You can see this is the fuel rail and those are the fuel injectors. So you get the new injectors, guys, okay? And you need to apply just a little bit of white grease. Okay, you can do just a little bit of WD-40. Do not get it inside the injector, just on the rubber seals. We'll just put the on the top ones first. Those will be this will be the side that will go in the fuel rail. And as I said, guys, we have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart, so please subscribe. Okay, we push them in. Okay, you just get them one by one in. After that, we need to install the retainers. Okay, and you can see they go only one certain way. Okay, we need to pull this guy out just a little bit because we pushed it too much in. So that way the retainer can keep it there. It goes in the canal. Okay, make sure that it's locked there. It's not moving anywhere. Same thing to this one here. Okay, perfect. Because if you have a loose one, you have a leak, and that leak can cause a fire. Okay, perfect. Next, with the same lithium grease, we're going to apply a little bit on the bottom seals. Okay, you have to make sure everything's clean there. And you need to align all of them. Make sure that one of the cables is not underneath them. Get all of them in the holes, and you have to push on the rail on each side until they go in. So it's leveled with the bolts. You definitely feel it when they go in. Okay, get those two bolts tight. And after that, we'll connect all the wires. The one for the ignition coil as well. You push them until they click. You cannot usually get them the wrong way because they're certain linked, but you can see how it goes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Push in the fuel line until it clicks in place. Here now. Perfect. Now try to pull it to make sure that it's all the way in. We'll go ahead, install the fuse. Okay, let's get that fuse now and see if the car will start. So I'm inside the vehicle, let's give it a try. It fired right up, guys, you can see. So that's how you replace the fuel injectors. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.